Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you filed your taxes using TurboTax Canada and now need a printed copy of your return, you're in the right place. Whether it's for your personal records, a loan application, or just peace of mind, today I'll walk you through a foolproof step-by-step guide on how to print or save your TurboTax return in 2025. Stick around to the end for a quick tip that can save you a lot of stress later on. Open your preferred web browser and head over to the official TurboTax Canada website. If you've bookmarked it, even better, just click that link. This ensures you're on the secure official platform. At the top right corner, click Sign In. Enter your TurboTax credentials. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one using the same email address you used to file your return. Select the correct tax year. Once you're signed in, you'll see a list of tax years. Find the one you want to print, most likely 2024 taxes if you're filing in 2025, and click on it to open your completed return. Open the Tax Tools menu. On the left-hand side of the screen, look for the Tax Tools menu. This is where TurboTax hides all the key features you need after filing. Go to the Print Center under Tax Tools, select Print Center. This is your control hub for printing or saving any part of your tax return. Print, save, or preview. You'll see an option that says Print, save, or preview this year's return. Click it. From here, you can print directly if your printer is connected and ready. Save a digital copy, highly recommended for backups or electronic submissions. TurboTax will ask which sections you'd like to print, such as the full return or just specific forms. Make your choices, hit Continue, and follow any on-screen prompts to complete the process. And that's it. Quick, simple, and 100% foolproof. You now have your TurboTax Canada return printed or saved for your records. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more tax tips and how-to tutorials, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your 2025 tax season.